Okay, welcome to another quick install for the Blink Video Doorbell. One of the things discovered through the installation is that it doesn't automatically show the video feed from the doorbell when on your Echo Show device, for example, which we've got here, just by pressing the doorbell. So this video, I'll show you a couple of routines that I've set up. One to show the doorbell. So when you press the doorbell, it activates a routine to then show the video feed from the doorbell on the Echo Show, and then there's another routine that kicks in, then stops the video on there as well. So first of all, I'll run through the routines that I've set up on in the Alexa app, and then me and Matilda will test it on the doorbell. Matilda will press the doorbell, and hopefully we'll get it working. Okay, so we're going to run through the setting up of routines here. Let's get to the Alexa app, not the British Gas app. Into the Amazon Alexa app. Okay, so we're going to create our first routine. Just first of all, though, just to show you, I've already got the video doorbell set up somewhere down here. Huson doorbell, I think I called it. Yeah, there it is, Huson doorbell. So it's got press announcements turned on. But that's their setup connected to the Blink app. So we'll go back now and we'll find the routines. So the plan is to do it routines for both the Echo Show and Echo Spot. So going into routines in the Alexa app, just get rid of that. And then the top right hand corner, you've got the plus. So we'll call the first one, give the first one a routine name. Click there. Simply call it Show Doorbell for the Echo Show. And then next. I basically need to do it for when this happens, so we're going to choose Smart Home and obviously find the Huson doorbell. So essentially, when the Huson doorbell is pressed, sorry, I'm just messing around here, so you can see all the different types of settings here that you can do, but we also want to do when the Huson doorbell is pressed. So when the Huson doorbell is pressed, we don't need an action. And sorry, we can have it we've got it set to any time, but you could have a custom time if you want to do. So for us, what we need to do is we need to choose right at the top. It should be there. Yeah, it is the customize option. And basically, what we're doing here is we're telling what we would say to the Echo Show to show the doorbell. So I'll type show Huson doorbell. So essentially, when the Blink doorbell is pressed, it's giving a command to the Echo Show to show Huson doorbell, which is the name of the doorbell. So we'll do that. And then we need for it to appear like it's coming from the Echo Show, which ours is called, one in the kitchen is called Huson's Kitchen. So scroll down here. Should be able to see, there we go, Huson's Kitchen. So essentially, when the doorbell's pressed, we're telling our Huson's Kitchen Echo Show to show the video doorbell. Okay, so next routine. Do exactly the same thing for show the doorbell on the Echo Spot. So replication of that routine. So the Echo Spot is up in our bedroom as like an alarm clock. So when the Huson doorbell is pressed, that's when I want the routine to kick in. Again, any time, but you could set that just for night time or morning. Customize, again, exactly the same. So show video doorbell. So sorry, show Huson doorbell. Next. And then choose a device. So obviously the command's coming from the Echo Spot. So Ben's Echo Spot. And then save. So that's fine. So that'll activate the the doorbell press, when that's pressed, it'll activate the Show Huson doorbell on both the Echo Spot and the Echo Show. What we need to do now is we need to create a new routine to stop it showing on both the Echo Show and Echo Spot. Okay, now so we'll set up the second lot of routines. So back into the Alexa app, click on New, routine name. So this is going to be to stop the doorbell view. So we'll do it first on the Echo Show, the routine on there. So give it a name, I'll copy that and I'll reuse it on the Echo Spot routine. So next, so basically the same, so we do the when the doorbell's pressed is when we want the routine to kick in at any time. But rather than show the doorbell, what we want to do is first of all do nothing for a period of time. So I want to set it, I think we'll set it to 1 minute and 5 seconds. So that's the wait time of 1 minute and 5 seconds. And then click next. And then the another action. We basically need to tell the Echo Show to stop. So we'll do a customized one, and then we'll just do simply a stop. Which so after 1 minute and 5 seconds, we tell the Echo Show to stop. So again, we need to choose the device that the command needs to be applied to. So Huson's kitchen. Done. And we'll just replicate exactly the same for the so we'll copy this one for the Echo Spot. To copy the routine, we need it exactly the same. So paste that in, type that in. Stop on the doorbell Echo dot. Click next. Just need to do, when this happens, obviously choose the video doorbell again. Wait the 1 minute 5 seconds already got. Tell Alexa to stop, but the command's going to the Echo Spot instead. So that's all the routines created now within the Alexa app. Okay, so Matilda's positioned here with the doorbell. So Matilda's going to press it, do the grand job of pressing the doorbell. It's going to go off. It's going to make a noise on the Blink Mini. And then I'm going to go in from where Matilda is into our kitchen area. Echo Show just in the distance over there. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll show the video on there. So Matilda, are you ready? I'm going to count down. 3, 2, 1, press it. Okay, so I'll walk over here. You heard the routine go off there. It's then waiting for Blink. Hopefully. So 4, 5. Okay, that didn't work that time. 5. I've just realised I've got to do not disturb on the Echo Show. 1 second, we'll come back in a second. Right, so this is the last attempt hopefully now. So I've disabled the routine on the Echo Spot. So they only got the Echo Show. We'll wait a couple of minutes for the other one to clear. So Matilda, go for it. Press it. Now. Okay. Okay, so it's rung on there.
Someone is at the Huson doorbell. Okay.
It's just kicked in. Waiting for Blink. I can hear the audio already. I can see it. Till they go to the camera. So we can see it. Step back, Matilda. There we go. So we see the live view now, Matilda. Say hello, Matilda. Hi. Okay, so that's worked. Excellent.
Can I come in now?
Yeah, you come in now. So I'll turn the mic off and hopefully we'll give it a few more seconds. What that should do is it should kick in the extra routine. So we'll pass the one at 1 minute 15 now. So it should be any second now, it should kick in and stop it. There we go. So it stopped the video. Perfect. Okay, so there we go. We got it working eventually. I think removing the echo spot made a difference. I don't plan to have it on the echo spot because that's in the bedroom anyway. So I don't really want it going off. So removing the echo spot, coming off Do Not Disturb on the echo show, that made it work eventually. I tried it a couple more times, it seemed to work. So I'll give it a couple of weeks and see how we get on. But hopefully that was a helpful video. If it was, give it a like. If it wasn't, give it a dislike. And subscribe if you want to follow along. Alright, thank you.